So what are we doing today, bro?
What's up, man? My name's Josh, part of Iffy Business, and today we're gonna check out this 300ZX. I think I blew my motor, so I gotta pretty much try to diagnose the problem. Hopefully it's a lifter. Maybe I can fix that first before like swapping out this engine right here. But yeah, let's get to it, man. Pretty much I gotta take off the upper intake manifold and then the distributor, and then that way I can get to the valve covers to check out the lifters and see if that's the problem. But yeah, let's get to it. Real. Took off everything that was attached onto the upper intake manifold, like, you know, all the plugs and all that stuff, the throttle body, and then we got to take out the bolts, the Allen bolts, and you got to go from like the top to the back, like front, back, and then the middle is the very last one. So I already loosened up 4 of them. I'll loosen the last one, and then should be able to take this thing off.
Got the book ready and everything.
Oh yeah? That's right, boy.
We're working today.
I'm really hoping I don't have to fucking swap this fucking engine, and I'm hoping it's just a lifter, because that's gonna make everything so much easier. But I mean, I'm ready. I got the engine right there, though. It's good. Ew, look at these fucking rusted ass bolts, bruh. Hell no.
It's good, bro. That's what it calls for an 80s car.
What is this nigga doing right now? Oh, a gasket? Okay.
Moving on.
Yeah, so we're just taking apart this engine, pretty much swapping over all the good parts from my old one into this one. Because I mean, I already got the valve covers off on that one. I was checking the lifters, and it seems like they're all functioning properly. So I rotated the crank pulley right here, and I was checking off all the lifters, and they all seem to be working just fine. They're all lifting up and whatnot. So I think the only option right now is just to swap over the engine. You know what I mean? So I'm actually waiting for my buddy Swaby to slide through during the wait. I'm just gonna try to work on this one right here, try to fix this and get it all ready for when I have to swap it. And I also got a new clutch that I got in. So you feel me? It's gonna be nice, okay?
Swaby. Rev that shit, boy.
This is the man right here, bro. This is the man. He's pretty much the one who taught me all about cars, bro.
That's what we call Swabe God right here.
The Swabe God, bro. The one and only, bro.
The Z Master.
It's good.
What you got right here? What you got right here?
Baby.
Bastard.
It
It is.
The young bastard, bro. Yeah, so pretty much this engine and transmission used to be in my old car. I used to have 86, and yeah, fucking Rest in peace to that one, bro. Rest in peace.
R.I.P.
But she lives on again in Swabies, bro.
Is this not good?
Yeah. Keep going. My homie Jay. Shit's clean, dude. Damn.
What's up, boy?
What's up, bruh? Damn. What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Good.
Yeah?
What you doing? It's like,
Chilling, bro.
it's like, oh, is it out already?
Yeah, no, not yet.
Oh, what's
Still working on it.
The extra one?
Yeah. Dude, this shit's fucking fresh, bro. You can park right here in the front. It's cool. Damn. That shit's wet. Air out, bro. Air out.
Air out?
Yay. That's wild, bruh. Damn. Look at that fitment, though. Dude, this is fucking crazy. What?
I had some 50mm spaces on the back, bro. Fuck, that shit, like, that was like perfect fitment where it sat, like where that sits. It was like sitting where that sits. Clean with that.
Feel it.
Preheat a little bit.
Ooh, damn, that 350 clean. Okay, that shit wet. Oh, ooh. Oh yeah, that's my car, by the way.
I have no idea what it is. Just one off those.
Thinking about getting new wheels. Like, I kind of want real wheels, but whatever. They look cool for now.
Alright.
You hit it?
$20 a trick as fuck. You got me sold, man.
That nigga hella ugly.
Get that one.
This shit's like I think it's like 30 a cartridge or something. 35.
Oh hell no.
It's like you're bad now.
I don't look fat, nigga.
You is fat.
What's up?
Monday through Friday, Dad, but 40 hours a week, you know what I mean?
Bro, this is the drifter, bro. This is a young course right here too. I'll show you how it's done. Oh, Jay, you gotta
You gotta step out, bro. He's coming back that way.
Y'all wasn't supposed to see that, bro. Hold on.
Retake.
Damn, you took it right here?
Yeah.
Watch out, Jay.
It's hella tight right here, bro.
Donuts here in the cul-de-sac again. This time with the
You good, bro?
Okay.
Nice. Yours going uphill.
Oh, he stalled, bro.
Bro, this nigga hella weak, bro. See that? That nigga weak.
Oh my, what a wonderful time. Been a minute since I pulled up outside. Shut it down, yeah, you do that every time. Ooh, we got a feeling you might, Work it like a stripper. Yeah, but you not a stripper. Yeah, dog it down with you. Yeah, work that 9 to 5 with you. Yeah.
Where's the...
You know, I'm over here not doing shit. Got gloves on.
Let's go to the grass.
Skirt, skirt, skirt. You know, that's one hood off.
Now we just gotta take off this fucking valve pipe and then turn it off. That's how you do it, boy.
Oh, the clamp is loose. Yeah, no, the clamp is literally loose. Stuck? It's stuck on there.
You stuck there?
Yeah. Oh, the young squirter.
Hey Josh, work it real quick.
Honda gang, bruh. It's the CEO of Karam, bruh. CEO.
CEO of Karam and
That's
Iffy
the one
Business
right there, bruh.
here.
And Iffy Business. This is the man right here, bro. What's up, Neil?
And
What's good, G?
popping.
Sean.
What's happening, baby?
What's up, bro?
What's up with it?
What's going on?
Chilling. You know, you on the vlog, bro.
It's on the vlog.
CEO of Karam and Iffy Business right here.
What's up, brother? How you doing? Shit, nothing. Nothing. Little rear end side swipe. You guys see this over here?
Oh, bruh. I know. I remember you telling me about it.
Whatever. We're gonna get that on the insurance.
Yeah, nah, he was drifting the fuck out of this shit, bruh. You feel me?
Follow the Iffy page and you'll see the nigga Neil
Hit that.
going hard.
And you also hit that too.
Bro.
Time to go wide body, I see.
No, I'm just kidding. This is me. If you know what I'm saying. Off the record, buddy.
Off the record. Off the record.
You're looking pretty good, bro.
What is you doing, bruh? Body. Number ones.
Number one spotted.
Number one spotted.
Dume?
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 You wanna ride it? Yeah?
We need some gas though.
You wanna ride it with me?
You gonna make Neil cuz fucking jealous right here. You want a picture?
Hi, say hi. Say hello.
Where's the
This is
Say hi,
young
Jaden.
Where's the Porsche?
The Porsche? Oh, it's in the backyard. You wanna ride it? Let's go.
Yeah, take that off, bruh. I almost hella next though, bro.
Totally cut you off, bro.
Take it, I'll show you. Take it.
Alright.
Take me! Good! Take me!
Hey.
Ah!
Hey, that 5 minutes gave us some juice, bro.
Yeah.
So how jealous are you since you didn't go next?
She's all whatever.
Whatever, homie.
Man. Yeah, you haven't had fun, huh?
Charge now.
Yeah. You gotta push it now. Yeah, you gotta charge that young. I'm just kidding.
Alright, we gotta charge no more.
Salty boys.
Hey, watch this shit. Watch this. Oh! You like that?
Where's that mallet? Right here.
He secretly loved it. Secretly loved it.
So we have to make it go up.
Nah, you just need like a flex line or something like that.
Hey, can you pass me a 10 mil? Get the fuck out of me. I should have took off the bumper.
Quorum.
I'm gonna take the bumper off.
Take it off.
You gotta take the bumper. Put her on my freaking couch. I give her the D and then she shit out. She coming right out. She coming right out. We pulling the engine out of the car. So we can put another one in the car. Hook it up, hook it up, hook it up, chain. My bitch is in the back giving me brain.
So I'm gonna go for the bottom.
I probably should be helping them out.
I see what you're doing.
But my niggas out here just be running their mouth.
Can you do this side first?
Oh, no,
This my nigga named Moby, dig? He got that big as well, dig? Now we got that audience. Better shoot it down, I got bodies, bruh.
More to your left.
You let the streets X-Files, bro.
That's what I'm talking about, boy. One more, right?
Keep it changed, you filthy animal.
Yeah, shooting the gun, 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 shooting the gun. I take the heart up out the Z, I put another one. Swear to God, I'm smoking out here, smoking hella blunts. My nigga Josh got the greasy gloves and oily arms. That's how you know a nigga got the bars. Take the jack, take the stand, take the engine, blow the man, he's a fan. His girl loves his man. Yeah, I'm telling you, he's taking the car. Yeah, probably send it on from my boulevard. Acting so iffy. Yo girl looking real tippy. Now I don't know what that means, but I know that ass pumping that cream. Nina Michaela McCosh, I don't know what she talking about, boss. Yeah. I do shop at Ross. Yeah. Shit, hella cheap, clearance 999. Got a shirt that said your bitch was hella fine. Yeah. Then I take the engine out. I hurt my pinky earlier trying to take the engine out. Yeah.
I don't need a. Can you grab those bolts right there, G?
Yay. Yay.
What was that? Drop it real quick. Drop it real quick. Drop it real quick. Oh shit. Drop it real quick. Drop it real quick. Drop it real quick.
That's good.
Alright, let's go. Lift. Lift.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, wait.
Hold on. Alright, go ahead.
Can't see shit. It's like a skateboard.
Hold up. Hold the fuck up.
It's okay, it's weird. It's just leaking.
No, I know. Fucking this thing popped out. Go.
Hold on. Is it past the fucking crossbar in the front? Yeah. Let's see.
Hold on, bro, Josh. Let me do it.
Yeah, you push this up.
Yeah.
Hey, just be cool with the edge right here. Just be cool with the edge right there.
You push it, just push it. Hold on. I'll pull it. You gotta fucking. Okay. You mean like a fucking pole?
So you're stuck right here now.
Here, I got you, bro.
You're gonna have to.
Hold on a second. Hold on. You gotta, I'm gonna lower it. I'm gonna try to let it sit on the oil pan. Watch. Okay, you can clear it now. Okay, there you go. Now pull it forward. Oh, you can't move it on. Move it up.
Maybe raise it a little bit.
Raise it a little bit. I'm pushing it down on this side, so.
You see, Moby?
My
nigga chilling out there.
So you want me to lower it down a little bit? Oh, is that down 2 cents? I can just take this out, right? Lower down a little.
Yo, what's up, guys? So pretty much our camera died from last, from I pulled out the engine and whatnot. So we pretty much like took it out and whatnot, and it's actually like right here. It's all pretty much taken apart already. I already got like the intake manifolds off, the exhaust manifolds, and all that shit. And put it all into this engine right here. So, but I just try to put it in, but that's for next episode.